I think this bridge is definitely haunted because Buzz does not want to cross it. Buzz. I'm about to cross the Colorado Street Bridge. It is a very popular, iconic, and some would say haunted bridge in Pasadena. This bridge is definitely haunted because Buzz does not want to cross it. What's the problem? I'll be completely honest, this bridge does not give the best vibes. It's beautiful scenery. Obviously you have the views of the mountains and there's a lot of greenery, but even this fence being up because of all the people who've attempted, it's a little dark. What do you think, Buzz? How do you like it? Want to go back? It's a little sad because there used to be these little alcoves where you could sit and hang out and have a view, but for the safety of humanity, we're caged out. There's no more spots to relax on Colorado Street Bridge. Buzz isn't feeling it. He wants to get up out of here. Let's go. Let's leave. We'll leave. We're leaving.